Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix your golf slice with irons. Start by understanding your grip. A common cause of a slice is a weak grip, which leaves the club face open at impact. For right-handed golfers, rotate your lead hand slightly to the right on the club. You should be able to see 2 to 3 knuckles on your lead hand. This small adjustment can significantly improve your club face control and reduce that frustrating slice. Next, let's refine your setup. Many golfers unknowingly aim right, contributing to a slice. For right-handed players, aim your body slightly left of the target but keep your shoulders square. This promotes an inside-out swing path. Also, position the ball slightly forward in your stance, just inside your lead heel, especially with irons. These adjustments encourage a straighter ball flight. Now, let's tackle the swing path. An outside-in path is a major slice culprit. Instead, aim for an inside-out path. Imagine swinging towards an imaginary target about 20 yards to the right of your actual target. Keep your trail elbow tucked close to your body during the downswing. This promotes a shallower attack angle and helps you hit the ball squarely, reducing side spin. Finally, let's focus on impact and follow-through. At impact, strive to have the club face square or even slightly closed to your target line. After hitting the ball, extend your arms fully towards the target, ensuring a complete release. Finish your swing with your weight transferred entirely to your lead side, facing the target. This promotes a powerful, controlled finish and helps eliminate that pesky slice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.